Make your presentation more interesting by using shapes. First, open a new presentation. Open the Insert tab and draw a rectangle that covers the entire slide. Remove the shape outline and fill the shape with dark blue. Go to the Insert section again and draw a hexagon. To keep shape size, hold Shift while drawing it. When it's ready, remove the outline. Open the shape format and rotate it by 90 degrees. Select the shape and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then create multiple copies by pressing Ctrl+V and set one aside for later use. Place the copies next to each other to cover approximately half of the slide. Use guidelines to maintain equal spacing between the hexagons. When you finish the first row, copy it to create the next one. Repeat the process until the height is roughly 1.5 to 2 full slides. Select all these hexagons, go to Shape Format, click Merge Shapes and choose Union to create a single shape from them. Now it's time to fill the new shape with a picture. Click on Shape Fill, then Picture and select from File. Find your picture in Explorer and use it as the fill. The picture may be positioned incorrectly. Use the left click and open the Format Picture options. Open the Fill section and uncheck the box Rotate with Shape. This will fix the picture's position. Let's add some design changes to make the slide look even better. Use the hexagon that was put aside previously. Remove the fill and add an outline that is a bit lighter color than the background. Copy such hexagons, make them smaller, and position them randomly across the slide until you are happy. Group all hexagon shapes together to manipulate them easier. Select them all, right-click, and then choose Group or use the shortcut Ctrl+G. Next, we'll insert the title. I'll use the Montserrat font, make it bigger and in contrast with the background. Duplicate the slide by pressing Ctrl+D. In the second slide, add some content. In my case, I'll add a subtitle and description. But you can also add a new title and create a whole new slide. This title and description are used only as example content. But this isn't focused on changing the title, so you'll need to move the hexagon shapes up on the second slide. It's time to set the transition. Open the transition section. If you use the same title on both slides and want to just add content like a subtitle and description, use the morph transition. If you want to change the text content of the whole slide, use push. Now if you notice that the picture is too small, you can enlarge it while holding Shift to keep the height and width ratio. And of course, size and position should be the same on both slides, so it's better to do this before duplication. Let's check the presentation. Thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe or leave a like.